Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay,
Loud, mom,
Yes.
loud. Okay.
Okay, yes.
let's start with thinking skills test. Okay,
Okay.
so here is our first question. Start reading.
Sandy's was like 1850.
1850. This is time on Sandy's watch. Okay. Now,
What is the time? One quarter of an hour later in 12-hour format.
in 12-hour format. They are saying that Sandy's watch reads 1850. Okay. Note it. Time on Sandy's watch is 1850. Let me share a whiteboard with you. Time on Sandy's watch. What is time on Sandy's watch?
18. What was it?
1850. Okay. What are they saying? They are saying what is the time after quarter of an hour. Do you know what is quarter of an hour? How many minutes are there in quarter of an hour?
Yes.
How many minutes are in quarter of an hour?
40.
40?
Yes.
Are you sure about it? Okay, if I made a clock here, this is a clock. Here it is 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. If we divide the clock into 4 parts, these are 4 parts, and quarter means 1/4. Quarter means 1/4. It means that we have to color one part. This is the one part. How many minutes are there in this part? Starting from 12 to 3. How many minutes are there?
12 to 3. 12 to 3 is
How many minutes are there? If we start counting the minutes, there are, let me make this portion for you clear. 15 minutes. Very good. So, in a quarter of an hour, there are 15 minutes. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, what was the question? Question was, what is the time 1/4 of an hour later? What is meant by later? There are two words. Later, next. Very good. Later means next. The time is given. Yes, future. The time which is shown on Sandy's wall, Sandy's clock is 1850. And we have to find out the time 15 minutes later. So what will you do? You will add 15 into 1850. You will add 15 minutes in time 1850. Let me clear a clock for, wait for a while.
Which would equal to 1905.
1905, very good. Because when we add 10 in 1850, when we add 10 minutes in 1850, it will become 19. And further, when we add 5 minutes, it will become 1905. Is it clear?
Yes, but if it wasn't in 24-hour clock
In
for
12 or
shift,
4.
it
Yes,
would
we
be
have
7:05.
7:05. Very good. Now your thinking skills are increasing. It will become 7:05. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Any query in this question?
No.
Okay. Let's move towards screen and let's see the answer. Okay. So options are 6:35 a.m., 7:05 a.m., 6:35 p.m. or 6:45 p.m. What will be the
B.
answer?
B.
7:05 or E 7:05 p.m. What will be the
Wait,
answer?
wait, what was it on 1850?
Yeah, yes. It is
Was it
converting. It is converting. We have converted the format from 19:05 to 7:05. So
AM or
after
PM?
what will be it? AM or PM?
What was 1805 before?
Let me tell you. From start, if we consider 24-hour format, from 1 to 12, this is AM. And after 12, from 13 to 24, it will become PM if we convert it into 12-hour format. So we are converting 1905 into 12-hour format, so it will become 7:05 PM.
Oh, so it's B. So it's E.
E. Let's see the answer. Is it clear? AM or PM concept?
Yes, I'm writing down.
Okay. What will be answer? Option number E is correct answer.
Okay.
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 Let's move toward next question. Have you written this question?
Yes, but I haven't written how it's PM or AM.
Okay.
Yes. Is it recording?
Yes, I am recording the lecture. Okay, let me tell you again about AM and PM. From 1 to 12, it's AM when we convert into 12-hour format. And from 13 to 24, it will become PM for 12-hour format. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Have you written now?
Yes.
Okay, good. So let's move towards next question. It is the explanation of the question we have completed. So 7:05 p.m. is the correct answer. Okay? We have discussed that how the answer was 7:05 p.m. So moving towards next question. Read the question.
Nicola multiples the small. What's Nicola?
Nicola is name of girl.
Okay, Nicola multiplies the smallest 4-digit whole number by the largest two-digit whole number.
Okay. Smallest 4-digit whole number. What will be smallest 4-digit whole number? Have you any idea about it? Smallest 4-digit whole number.
1000.
1000. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the smallest 4 number digit is equal to 1000. Okay?
Okay.
By multiplies largest 2-digit whole number. What will be largest 2-digit whole number?
Largest two-digit whole number 99.
99. Okay. Let's me share whiteboard with you, then we will solve the question. What was the question? Question was Nicola multiplies largest 4-digit whole number. What was largest 4-digit whole number?
Largest 4-digit number was 1000.
1000. Multiply by smallest 2-digit whole number. Smallest 4-digit whole number and largest 2-digit whole number.
Okay.
It was 99. What is the answer? 99 multiplied by 1000.
99,000.
99,000. Is it clear?
Yes.
Have you solved it?
Yes, but I don't know why multiply the 2 digits.
Why multiply the 2 digits? Let's read the question again. Then you will know. Read the question.
Nicola multiplies the smallest 4-digit number whole numbers by the largest 2-digit whole number. Multiplies.
Now is it clear? To solve the question, first you have to understand the question. It is written on the question that Nicola multiplies the smallest 4-digit number, which was 1000, and largest 2-digit number, which was 99. So we multiplied 1000 by 99 and we get 99,000. Okay. So let's see the answer and the options. What is the answer? Options are 99,000, 99,990, 9,900,000, 9,99,900, or 99999. Which is the correct answer? We have calculated it. Option number A. Very good. Okay, this is the explanation of the question we have done. So the smallest 4-digit number was 1000, largest 2-digit number was 99, and we have simply multiplied them, and option number A is correct. Okay. Let's move toward next question. Okay, read it.
Okay. Rana needs 650 grams of cooking sauce. She places a glass jar of cooking sauce on a scale and shows 750 grams. The glass jar weighs 330 grams when empty. How much more cooking sauce does Rana need?
Understand the question first. Rana needs 650 grams of cooking sauce. This is the amount that is required by Rana. Amount required by Rana is 650 grams. Okay?
Okay.
And he placed a glass jar of 750 grams. He opened glass jar of 750 grams. Okay?
Okay.
And the weight of empty glass jar is 330 grams. So we have to find how much more cooking sauce does Rana need. He have taken a glass jar of cooking sauce of about 750 grams and 330 of which is the weight of jar. Okay. So how many sauce is there in jar? First of all, we will calculate how many jar is there in how many sauce is there in jar, and then we will find that how much. Yes.
You do 750 minus 330 to get cooking sauce weight.
Yes, to get cooking sauce in a jar, then we will see that how much more will Rana need. He needs 650. Okay, let me share whiteboard with you and then we will see the answer. Okay. So Rana needs how much sauce? Rana needs how much sauce Rana needs?
650.
650. And weight of jar, sauce jar. How much was the weight of sauce jar?
Of jar was 330. Of cooking sauce is 420.
First of all, tell me that what was the total weight of sauce jar? 7.
330 grams.
Oh. No, I am asking that what was given in the question?
Oh, 750.
750. Yes. Now we will then weight of jar only. Weight of jar only. What was weight of jar only?
The weight of jar only was 330.
It was 330. So from these two figures, we can find the weight of sauce in jar. Weight of sauce. What would be weight of sauce if the jar and sauce is 750 and 330 is weight of jar? So what would we do to find the answer?
So the weight of the sauce would be 750 minus 330, which is 420.
Which is 420. Very good. 420 is the weight of sauce in a jar. But Rana need how much sauce?
650.
650 and he got 420. How much is left?
So how much more does she need? She needs 230 more grams.
How you know the answer? What you have done?
650 minus 420.
650 minus 420. What is the answer?
230.
230. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, have you noted it?
Yes.
Okay, let's move towards next. Let's move toward options and answer. Okay. So the options are 100 gram, 130 gram, 200 gram, 230 gram, or 430 gram. What was the answer?
The answer is 230.
230 gram. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, good. So it is the explanation. We have already done it, that how we have calculated the answer. Option number D is correct. Is there any query regarding this question?
No.
You understand?
Yes.
Okay, good. So let's move towards next question. Read it.
Kim and Jamie each think of a different whole number that is greater than 0 and less. And then 20. Then
20?
50.
50. Okay. Read the next line.
Kim's number is a multiple of 5. Jamie's number is an even number, which is a multiple of 7. What is the difference between the largest possible value of Kim's number and the smallest possible value of Jamie's number?
Okay, let's understand the query first. Kim and Jamie each think of different whole number that is greater than 0 and less than 50. It means that Kim and Jamie have to select two whole numbers between 0 and 50. Okay.
Okay.
So the information is given. Kim's number is a multiple of 5. Kim's number is a multiple of 5.
Multiple of 5.
And Jamie's number is an even number which is multiple of 7. Even number which is multiple of 7. Is it clear?
Yes.
What is difference between largest possible value of Kim's number and smallest possible value of Jamie's number? Let me share whiteboard with you, then we will solve it.
Okay.
So first of all, they have to select Jim. And what was the name of other person? Kim and Jamie, sorry. Kim, K-I-M, Kim, and Jamie, J-A-M-I-E. Okay, these two are persons and they have to select number from 0 to 50, between 0 and 50. Okay? Now the first information was that Kim's number is a multiple of 50. If we talk about Kim's number, it is multiple of 50. Multiples of 50 less than 50 are multiple of 5, sorry. Multiple of 5. Yes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. These can be no 50, less than 50. Okay. So these can be numbers Kim's may choose from first information. It is the first information given in question. And the second information was that Jamie's number is an even number which is multiple of 7. So we will write even numbers which are multiple of 7. If we talk about Jamie's number, even numbers, let's write 7 stable, 14, 7, 14, 21, 28. Tell me the numbers 7, 14, 21, 28. Next would be
35,
35, then 42, then 49.
49.
And they have said that even numbers only. So we have to select even numbers from these. 14 is even number, 28 is even number, and 42 is even number. Do you know what are even numbers?
Yes.
The numbers which are multiple of
2.
2. Very
Or
good.
even numbers.
Yes, are even numbers. So these are the numbers that Kim can choose, and these 3 are the numbers that Jamie can choose. Okay, these are the first 2 information. Let's read the next information. Next information is Kim's number. What is the difference between largest possible value of Kim's number? What is the largest possible value of Kim's number? Tell me the largest possible value. These are possible values for Kim's numbers. So what is
40.
largest of them?
40.
40 or 45? What is largest of these
45.
numbers? 45. So 45 is the largest possible value of Kim's number. And we have to find difference between largest possible value of Kim's number and smallest possible value of Jamie's number. What is the smallest possible value of Jamie's number? Jamie's numbers are 14, 28 and 42. What is smallest of these three? 14. And in question we have to find difference of these numbers. What we have to find? Which is 31. So we will subtract 14 from 45. So 5 minus 4, 1. 4 minus 1, 3. So answer is 31. Is it clear?
Yes.
The question was Kim and Jamie have to select whole number between 0 and 50. Kim can select only numbers which are multiple of 5 and Jamie can select only numbers which are multiples of 7. But the condition was and even numbers. Multiple of 7 and even numbers. Then in question it was given we have to find the difference between largest possible value of Kim's and lowest possible value of Jamie. So 45 minus 14 is equal to 31. Okay. So let's move towards slides and see the options and answer. So what are options? A 31, B 36, C 38, D 39 or E 43. What was your choice?
A.
A 31. Let's see the answer. 31. Very good. It means that your thinking skills are increasing day by day. So there is explanation for the question. We have already done it. Do you have any query in this? How we have find the answer?
No.
It was easy.
So it had to be below than 50.
Had to be lower than 50 and greater than 0. Okay?
Okay.
So here is another question. Read it.
Jessica has blue, green, red, and yellow buttons in the bag.
Jessica has blue, green, red and yellow buttons in the bag.
There are twice as many red buttons as blue buttons.
There are twice as many red buttons as blue buttons.
If she takes one button out of the bag without looking, the probability that it is blue is 0.2%. The probability that it is green is 0.3. What is the probability that Jessica takes out a yellow button?
The question is Jessica has 4 colored buttons in her bag. Blue, green, red, yellow. Blue, green, red and yellow. There are twice as many red buttons as blue buttons. Okay, red buttons are twice as blue buttons. If she take one button out of bag without looking, what is the color? Probability of blue is, probability means expectation, chances. The chances that the button is blue is 0.2. The chances that the button is green is 0.3. We have to find the chances that how many chances are there if the button is yellow. And the very important thing you have to remember is the probability of all the buttons must be 1 because we have to take out only one button. Okay, the sum of probabilities will be 1. So let me share whiteboard with you and then we will discuss this question. This is new for you. So we will discuss it. What is given? But color of buttons were red, blue, green and yellow. These are 4 colors of buttons that Jessica has in his bag. Okay?
Okay.
And it is given in question that red are twice of blue. Red are twice of blue. Okay?
Okay.
Jessica has taken out one button and the probability means chances of blue are chances or probability of blue is how much it was?
0.2.
0.2. And chances or probability of green is how much was the probability of green? 0.3. It is given in question. Okay, it is given in question. And how much will be chances of red? If blue is 0.2 and red is twice as 2. If chances of blue is 0.2 and red is twice of blue button, so chances of red will be 2 multiplied by that of chances of blue. Is it clear? Because in question, let me explain it for you again. Because in question, it was given that red buttons are twice of blue. Red button are twice of blue. So the chances must be twice of that of blue.
Which is 0.4. Red is 0.4.
0.4.
It's also adding by 0.1.
0.1. How?
Because on 0.2, green became was 0.2, but then green became 0.3, so it's adding by 0.1.
Not understanding you. What are you saying? Repeat it again. What is your idea?
If you add 0.1 by 0.2, it becomes 0.3, and if you add 0.3 with 0.1, it equals to 0.4.
No. You can't compare it with green because there is no relation given in question between green and red or blue or green. There is no relation between blue or green or red. Only the relation which is given in question is between blue and red. And what was the relation? That red is twice of blue. So you have to multiply 2 with 0.2. Okay?
Okay.
Now I have told you that the probability of all the buttons must be 1. The probability of all the buttons must be 1.
1.
Okay, it is rule that probability of all the buttons must be 1. So if you have given with 3 probabilities, blue is given, 3 is given, and probability of red have found. You have find the probability of red. So from this you can find the probability of yellow. How? Let me tell you. Let me share new whiteboard with you. Okay. If we say that probability of blue was 0.2 plus probability of red was 0. What was probability of red? Ibrahim?
0.4.
0.4. And what was probability of green?
0.3.
0.3. Let's sum up these 3 probabilities.
which is 0.9.
0.9 is the sum of these three probabilities. And if we include yellow in it, the probability will become 1. Because we know that probability of all the colors are 1. So if we add yellow in it, it will become 1.
Okay.
For probability of all 4 colors, if we talk about all 4 colors, the probability must be 1. And we know the probability of 3 colors, which is 0.9. So would you find the probability of yellow?
Probability of yellow.
If probability of R4 are 0.9, probability of all 4 are 1 and 3 of them is 0.9. So what would be probability of yellow color? Okay, let me give you a simple example. If I say that you have 10 rupees, if I say you have 10 rupees and you have bought candy of 2 rupees, one candy of 2 rupees, one candy of 4 rupees, and one candy of 3 rupees. So, and you have bought another candy. What will be rupees of that candy? What will be cost of that candy? You have 10 rupees.
I don't understand. Because तुम खेल.
Ibrahim, listen the question again. If you have total 10 rupees, you have bought 4 candies. Okay? You have bought 4 candies and total rupees are 10. One candy cost rupees 2, one cost 4, one cost 3. So what is the cost of last candy? If you total have 10 rupees, 1. How you have find the answer?
Add them all, it equals to 9 and then you
Yes.
minus it with 10.
Okay. Similarly, in this question which is given, you have added the probabilities of 3, which is 0.9, and you have probability of all 4 colors, which was 1. So for the last color, what will you do?
0.1.
0.1. How you get answer? What you have done to get the answer?
0.2 plus 0.3 equals 0.9.
What you have done? 1 minus 0.9. What was the answer? 0.1. Now is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, let me repeat it for you because it was a new question. What was given? It was given that there are 4 colored buttons in the bag of Jessica. First color was red, blue, green and yellow. These are the 4 colors for Jessica button. Okay. And in the question, it is given that red colored buttons are twice of blue colored button. Red colored buttons are twice of colored buttons. And the chances of means probability of blue colored button is given, which was 0.2, and green colored button is given, which is 0.3. So from the information in the question, we can find the probability of red colored buttons. How? Because it is twice that of blue. So we can multiply 2 with the probability of blue button. So we have the answer 0.4. Is it clear up till now?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Next, what we have done? Next, we have said that if we sum up these 3 probabilities, probability of blue color, red color and green color, the answer is 0.9. And what are total chances? Total probability is 1. Sum of probability is 1 because Jessica only have to take out one button. So total probability of 4 color is 1 and probability of 3 colors is 0.9. So from here we can find the probability of yellow color. How? Because 1 is total and 0.9 is probability of 3 colors. So when we subtract 0.9 from 1, we get 0.1, which should be the probability of yellow color. Now is
You
it clear?
understand or no?
Yes, but I don't understand what the purple means. Fawn colors.
Ask the question again. What is the question?
4 colors. Oh, 4 colors.
Yes.
What is your question, Ibrahim? Ask me again.
What did the purple writing say?
Purple writing 4 colors. Probability of 4 colors is 1 because we only have to take out one button. So probability is 1, total probability is 1. The probability of total 4 colors is 1 and we have calculated the probability of 3 colors. So what will be probability of the last color? We will subtract 0.9 from 1. Likewise, we have subtracted 9 from 10 because we have 10 rupees. 9 are of 3 chocolates. And what will be the cost of last chocolate? We will simply subtract 9 from 10. Similarly, the total probability was 1. The probability of 3 colors is 0.9. So what will be probability of last color? 1 minus 0.9.
Okay.
Now is it clear?
Yes.
Sure? You can ask again if you have
Really?
any question.
Because 0.2 was the blue one and then 0.3 was the green one, and it said red was a double of blue, so you had to do 0.2 times 2 equal to 0.4, and then you added all those numbers up and they equal to 0.9, and then you have 4 colors equals to 1, so you do 1.0 minus 0.9, which would equal to 0.1, which is yellow.
Yes, very good. Now it is clear to you. So let's move towards the options and answer. Question was easy but a bit different. Jessica has blue. Read the question again. You will get the answer.
Jessica has blue, green, red, and yellow buttons, but there are twice as many buttons as blue buttons. If she takes one button out of the bag without looking, the probability that it is blue is 0.2. The probability that it is green is 0.3. What is the probability that Jessica takes out a yellow button?
Now the question is clear that total colors are blue, green, red, and yellow. And red buttons are twice as of blue. Here this is given that red buttons are twice that of blue. Okay? And if he takes one button, it means that total probability is 1 because she only have to take one button. So total probability of 4 buttons is 1. Okay?
Okay.
So in the question, the probability of blue color is given, which is 0.2. Probability of green color is given, which is 0.3. So from this, we can find the probability of red button. How? Because it is given that because there are red buttons are twice that of blue. So probability must be multiplied by 2, which is 0.4. Okay. And we have to find the probability of yellow. So we will sum up these three probabilities and subtract it from total 1. And for yellow color, we got answer 0.1. Now is the question clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see the options and the answer. So here are options 0.1, 0.3, 0.5, 0.7 or 0.9. You will go with which option?
0.1.
0.1. Very good. You are correct. So there is the explanation for this question. I have explained it to you. Do you have any query regarding explanation?
No.
Okay.
And it's 1 because it's taking one button out.
Yes, because she is taking only one button out, so total probability is 1.
Okay.
Okay. So I guess for today it is enough. Otherwise you will be burdenized. These are actually a little bit tricky questions and you have to calculate them as well. And
these were a bit easy.
Yes, these are easy. Your thinking skills are increasing. I have noted this.
Next time you need to do it by yourself, okay?
Okay.
You need to try it.
Okay.
Next time when I will take the class, I will only show the question to you, explain the question to you, and you have to find answer yourself. And
yes,
if you fail,
जी sister ऐसे ही है बिल्कुल.
Yes, and if you fail, then I will explain. Lekin first you have to try. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So for today it is enough. If you have any query, you can ask up till now.
And it's only 1 because she only picks out one button.
Yes. So total probability was 1. Okay.